Hey everyone, my name is Susank Verma, and today we are going to learn how can we make this beautiful scene in which there is a queue and lots of gears with a slightly light effect in some places, in some random places, and there is also a volumetric effect. So let's start in General, New, and there is a default queue. So we are going to use a wireform modifier in this default queue. There is a wireform modifier. There it is. But first I am going to use the N shortcut VVR. Yes. Now increase the thickness, that much is enough. Apply. Now we are going to use extra objects, shift plus A, mesh, extra objects, gears, gear. We are going to use also a worm. If you don't have this option, then firstly you are going to go edit, preferences, add on, search, extra object. There it is. Add both of them, extra object, mesh and curve. After this you will get this option. Okay, we are going to decrease the size of the worm. That much is enough. Rotate y, r plus y and 90 degree. Decrease the size of the gear also. Rotate, decrease the size again. Numpad 7. You can do randomize it. I am just doing like that way. We are going to use both of them, worm and gear, and put some in randomized place like that. Rotate like that, rotate like that, rotate. What's happening? Like that, rotate. We have to use also worm in some places like that. Small, rotate, small, because I want some different sizes also. That's why I'm making them small. This one is bigger. Okay, like that. Small, rotate. This one will look good. Now we are going to use all of them. This one, this one, this one. Not all of them, some of them. You can use also all of them. Make a collection, new gears. Okay. After that, we are going to use a cube. Nice. And now go to object properties, viewport display, use bounds. After go to particle settings, plus sign, emitter, not 1000, 100 only. We can check about. Not 1000, 100 only. We can change the value against the situation. Okay. Now go render, collection, gears, whole collection. Do that whole collection. Use whole collection. If you are not going to use whole collection, then only one object is going to come. If you use whole collection, then all the objects will come. Okay. Not that one cube, this one I want. Where it is, where it is. There it is. Okay. Where is the feature? Rotation. Go to rotation, randomize. phase, randomize, frame start 0, 0, frame end 0. As you can see, now there is so much objects are there. You can play with all the values and check it out all the things if you want it. This will be much fun. I'm telling you. Now go to physics, Brownian motion, some Brownian motion. It will not going to some give some effect. That's okay. I don't know about that. Let's check cross some are also there. Object J. So let's go increase some value also. The size. First we are going to use increase the size. Not that much. That much is good. Randomize. Scale randomize. Ah, that's good. That's good. Looks good. Looks good. Now go to modifier tab. Convert. Now it looks good. Now apply. As you can see, the cube is gone. I think we don't care. Now let's add. Now let's add some lights. Give 100 watt value and yellow color. Add many of the lights, many of the point lights inside the cube in different places like that. It gives different color also. Like this one is purple and go to 7. This one is green. This one is blue. That one blue. And this one, what we are going to give? Purple. Means violet. And this one is dark blue. There is also outside light. Come there. Inside this big pipe, that will give some good effect also. I think this will give some good effect inside the pipe. That's why I'm going to do that. Not that much is good. Okay. No, it's not inside. No, it's inside. So let's go to random mode and check it out. Go to this and strength 0. Let's take some volumetric effect also. Go to take a cube, increase the size of the cube. As you can see, there is a nice shadow also there. Nice, I want that. So let's open a new tab. Take the cube, go to shader editor, material, new. Give name a smoke, delete principal PDF, search principal volume, volume to volume, click, join, because I want bigger screen and I can change the value from there. Okay, where it is. There it is. Volume, open the volume. Density I want 0.1. looks good. But I don't want 0.1, I want 0.3, about 0.3 or 0.01. That's nice. I will say 0.07 will be better. No, that's too much. 0.05 will be better. That looks nice.
It looks good. I want to say it looks good. So everybody, today we learned how can you make this beautiful scene using Blender 2.9 and Eevee. I mean, we also learned about volumetric effect and some point light effects also. So if anyone wants this original scene, they can download from patreon.com and gumroad.com. All the links are in description. If anybody will like this video, they can like, share, subscribe to my channel Blender Ocean, and comments also in the YouTube comment section. So okay, bye everybody. Let's meet in another video. Okay, bye. Thank you.